Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix critical process, dial blue screen error on Windows 10 and 11. Number 1. Go to the desktop. Search for Reset and select Reset this PC. 2. Select Advanced Startup. Select Restore Now, then Troubleshoot. 3. Run Startup Repair from the Advanced options to identify the issue. 4. Open Command Prompt and type bootrec /Fixmbr. Then hit Enter and type bootrec /Fixboot. Again, to fix the problem. To fix access denied messages, go to number 5. Type bootsect /NT60 SYS. Click Enter. Then type bootrec /Fixboot. Then hit Enter. Type bootrec /Rebuild. Press Enter again. Type SFC /scannow. Hit Enter one more. Again type chkdsk C:. After a complete check, restart your computer and select Continue to ensure your PC is functioning properly. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.